What's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your Paladin Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another unboxing. This is legitimately the heaviest, non-TV unboxing I've ever had. This, I believe, is from Cleveland, from Amazon Prime. Subscribe and save. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you for watching all my crazy, weird, collectible stuff that I enjoy. So first up, we've got some delectables. This is for kitty treats. Unfortunately, my cat passed away. She was a sweetheart, but I ordered this. I was doing the subscribe and save, and she passed. So I'm going to try and return this because I don't have a cat. Maybe I'll donate it. But this is Delectable Stew. Yeah. I got an aunt and uncle that have a cat. I might give it to them. Same with this right here. This is the Shiba Pate and Natural Juices. Unfortunately, she's not here. She was a senior cat. She's a sweetheart. Oh yeah, another one. Great. This is chicken and tuna. She always loved that stuff. So, we got the Jack's Link's Tender Cuts Prime Rib Seasoning. Once again, I'm not sponsored by any of these products, but I would absolutely adore the privilege to represent your products. But I love jerky. Now that the movie theaters are open, I'm going to be doing quite a bit of popcorning it up, but when I'm burnt out and trying to do the low carb thing, I will be sneaking in beef jerky. It's also great on road trips. I got these Blue Diamond brand almond spicy dill pickle. I got 2 of these. These are another healthy snack. They say there's 6 servings in this, but man, I could eat the whole container. Yeah. I got Amazon has their own brand of vitamins, and I try and be cost effective and find the cheapest thing I can do. That's usually why you see me having this stuff. This is Amazon Elements Vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams per serving, vegan, and tested for potency, purity, and integrity. We've got the Jack's Link's Original Beef Sticks, no added MSG, 20 individual ones. We've got, this one's open, Jack's Link's Jalapeno Sizzle, beef and cheese. So it's got a spicy beef jerky and it looks like pepper jack cheese, but it doesn't explicitly say that. But I'm looking forward to trying that. I do try and do taste tests of each of these, so let me know. Here's another one of the beef sticks. I have a beard. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been trying this Decorum Reboot Mint Beard Oil. I really like it. If you have a beard oil, you want to sponsor me, let me know. I will try your beard oil. This is, it's hard to find really yummy sugar-free gum. It's hard to find, I get it by the cheapest possible way, but there's 5 calories a slice, Airheads gum with micro candy fibers. This is the Watermelon. I am not sponsored by Quest, but I would love to be. But look, how delicious does that look? These are Quest cookies and cream, 21 grams of protein bars. Yeah, I have done a lot of taste testing reviews of other Quest products, but I have not done a review of those yet. Stay tuned. It comes in this cool cute little box. We got some Jack's Link's Wild Heat. I got 2 of these. This looks very, very spicy. I'm anticipating trying it. Yeah. What do you guys think? What's your favorite jerky? I would try vegan jerky. Have you guys ever had vegan jerky? Is that a thing? It sounds like it would be a thing. I would try it. I'd try the hell out of that. We got sweet and hot Jack's Link's beef jerky meat snacks. But I'm looking forward to trying this big time. Looks delicious. I think this could be my favorite flavor ever, even though I've never tried it. Looks delicious. As you can probably assume, I've been doing a couple unboxings today and I gotta put away everything, so it's gonna be fun. Mucho fun. This is Jack's Link's Zero Sugar. So in comparison to the average jerky, there's a couple grams of sugar and carbs. This has no carbs and no sugar. So there's that. We're winding down. This is Atkins protein-rich shake. This has 5 grams of fiber, 15 grams of protein, and 2 net carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and 5 grams of fiber. I did a taste test and review. Spoiler alert! I really love the flavor. It's got less protein, unfortunately, than a Premier Protein or a Quest, but it's delicious. So there's that. Wow, this has its own individual little box. Oh yeah. This is like a display box. I ordered. Yeah, I think. Oops. I think it's supposed to be a display, but I'm just a man who likes beef jerky. So this is a whole box of these. Beef and cheese. This is totally a display. But this is, these are going to be great for road trips. Now that we're slowly starting to reopen. 2 grams of carbs. Not bad. But yeah, it's a whole box of them. It's just trying to find healthier versions of snacks, having things ready for you so you don't make unhealthy decisions like fast food restaurants and carbs and bread. This is kind of the thing that I do, kind of the thing I enjoy doing. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. I hope you subscribe, I hope you share, and check out some other thousands and thousands of videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com, that's riptapparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice, use my username as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off of each shirt, and that's London Hawthorne on Ripped Apparel or onceuponat.net. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you don't have the money, I understand. You can just hit the notification bell, the subscribe button, thumbs up my video. You can also just let my videos play. Get hours and hours of play. Just let them play in the background on your PC or your laptop or whatever. I definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos. Leave a comment, and what are some of your favorite products? Something low carb, low sugar you recommend, you want me to do a review of? Leave it in the comments below. Have a great one, and be safe out there.